this is the video entry that I promised myself to do, but I would have wanted to do with Van, and I was just so out of my environment and my element, and I was so, I think maybe in shock. But I would have liked to have interviewed Blake Erie and Van Ark on the 6 Mile Smooth, because I think it's 6 miles nice. Maybe even with a touch of ice, you know. Makes it interesting at least. So this is my contribution. I'm gonna just kind of like play clippets of tracks that, you know, did it for me. And then hopefully I'll hear back from Blake and Van, and they can give me some input on those tracks, and we'll make it interesting. So this is kind of like maybe the third listening of 6 Mile Smooth, and I'm gonna listen to it with you guys, and I want you to post your comments. I will have all their information down in this whatever block box bottom down there, whatever. And please support your underground hip-hop industry, man, because they're starving. Okay, I know. Ah, crap.
You're about to witness the very exciting story of a city and its people. It will be an adventure that will open new sights in familiar surroundings. It is a story of a city seeking new horizons in a resolute contest with great challenges. That city is Detroit.
You have heard on your radio rhythmic pattern. It's sound. You have heard on your radio rhythmic pattern. It's sound.
I love that first track. This one's so dope. He had me at the first 8 bars.
Black pants, I see hoodie with his head that door.
And this part right here, that little sample, sick. Where was your head at, man?
6 Mile Smooth.
That's like the bowel movement
He
right
feels
now.
subterfuge tactics. His life's on the line. Can't deal with the reality that this town. There's absolutely no escape. The landscape surrounded. Facing life in prison, feet hands bounded. It's a truly sad story. He's about to lose his shirt. He ain't going out like no sucker. He'll run first. Second floor, second door to the right. He sees an exit. Running, yelling, stop, but he don't get the message. Police start to open fire. This escape could be his last. Popping rounds and they hot on his ass. It's a spot takeover and they really well equipped. Just keep on running, my nigga. Reclaim your innocence. But in a sense, it seems like the man is running from the law. It's simple to elude.
It's a teaser, go buy it. God damn it.
World of music.
6 miles smooth. Money is the root of all evil. The devil is a survival tool for all people. And I listen to your words in between the lines. In fact, it's inspiration to get rid of frustration and relax. I should make you pay a tax, pay insubordination. You're not paying attention to the radio stations. The songs you're making aren't original or true. It's a sad situation and let you does what you do. Your girl is a puppet, your mama don't like your tunes. Get delivered, get well soon balloons. Cause I know I'm sick of your lyrics and you contagious. On the other land, I spit knowledge on stages. My underappreciation dips holes in my pocket. Most of my fam look.
This popular restaurant also features a breathtaking view of the city and river.
See, meanwhile, I flew off from Detroit.
Following dinner, there's the excitement of a night on the town.
Yo, lady, come here for some talk.
This song is so slick with the
Got me and my fellas fun touching. I'll bring you girls over.
It's definitely road trip music.
Designing skill blends with imagination and experience.
Yo, play every band hall, you know what it is. Smoke for my people out there. You know, I know the struggle is here. I'm living the struggle, you know, true testament. Feel me on this, man. Tell you about this one cat, go catch my ass in town on 6 miles. You know what I'm saying? Walking down the street. Check it. Yo, it's 10 degrees below zero when he fishing for scraps. Hands are frostbitten.
No, you guys have to go by it for yourselves.
A new renaissance is a rebirth in the city.
Yeah, let's go. I mean, for real, yeah. I know we both been through some hard times. We've been through some hard times. I've been through some hard times. I try to keep this moving, you know. 6 pounds. Maybe we get start brand new, start fresh, clean slate. You feel me? Look, I'm standing at this bus stop, trying not to stare. Hard to compare you to another. I know that you one fine queen and I'm one slick brother, but I don't know what else to say. Tell these other niggas to get out my way. Man, all I wanna do is just avoid the mace spray. But Macy Gray is what you got in the headphones. I wanna be with you all alone. I don't wanna make you moan. I wanna make your head do something that'll make you take it to the bed, or maybe to the books. Nothing but clean songs and good hooks. You listen to it good, but I know I'm from the hood. But look, wishing you could feel a new beginning. Fresh start. Take you back to when things were brand new. This is a fresh start. Recollect yourself and just fly. Just you can fly high, baby. Higher than the clouds above you. We are the sky. I don't wanna do anything different from what you heard already. You can keep it steady and at a solid pace. I'm looking you in your eyes, see your beautiful face. I'm touching your skin, it feels so soft. Girl, in your eyes, man, I feel so lost. I know that you're thinking that maybe we can ride in leather and plush Lincolns, but money is short. Right here, I'm not thinking about child support. I'm thinking about building a whole other nation. Maybe we can put together a radio station or maybe a store. I know what you're here for. You placed on this planet, god damn it, for me, no one else. I'm not selfish, but I want you to myself. Fresh start, this is a fresh start for me. Fresh start, this is a fresh start for you. Fresh start, this is a fresh start for us. Fresh start for us. Fresh start for us. Fresh 6 miles.
I had to let that song run. I'm like, I couldn't insult it. I'm like, oh, please. I feel bad talking over it right now. I'm going, oh my God, shut up, Shirley. Just let them listen to it. But the album's really great.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just let it run, and when it gets about 10 minutes, I'll fucking cut this shit off, or maybe let it run too. Who knows? It'll see.
Girl, I'm coming over about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Go home, take a shower, go pick up some candles. Let's make something happen tonight, you feel me? What you talking about?
Just hold my hand, baby, I'm with you. I can taste your soul, so when I kiss you. I've been through some ill math. I can tell that you care how I feel, yes. that, all you'll ever need. I can promise that you
see another way. I never doubt that me inside you, girl, I won't do without. Your skin tone, your conversation, the way you look at me, you got my heart racing. It's the way you laugh, yeah, I laugh too. The way you walk when you pass through, yeah, the whole room, they stop and stare. But baby, you mine, don't you know I'll be there. Touching and moaning, longer and longer, Monday to Sunday, breathing getting stronger. I'm rubbing your back, I'm pulling your hair,
yeah,
coming over tonight,
yeah, I'll be there.
touching and moaning, longer and longer, Monday to Sunday, breathing getting stronger.
You rubbing my back, you pulling my hair,
yeah,
coming over tonight,
yeah, I'll be there, yeah, thick and thin, I never depart. Baby, I wanted you right from the start. I give my all, more than I ever had. They say I love hard, so hard it won't last. But look and don't listen, follow your heart. Feel me, lick your low, we can swap trademarks. Just trust me, please, I won't disappoint. It's a fate of destiny, we can flip a coin.
You don't have to make a sign, mama kings, here's your crown. You put it down, you know it, that it's made in heaven, because you match me. Put your hand, on my thigh, yeah, rockin' side to side, I feel it right. This is forever, it seems fair, I won't leave, just know I'll be there.
Touching and moaning, longer and longer, Monday to Sunday, breathing getting stronger. I'm rubbing your back, I'm pulling your hair,
yeah,
coming over tonight,
yeah, I'll be there.
touching and moaning, longer and longer, Monday to Sunday, breathing getting stronger.
You rubbing my back, you pulling my hair,
yeah,
coming over tonight,
yeah, I'll be there.
I'm blinking.
You're about to witness the...
I can't say enough about it. I think that's why Oz was jealous. Is like I just ranted and raved so much about it, and then he was like. But anyways, enough about the Wizard of Oz, and enough about me and being Dorothy and wearing slippers instead of, sleep slippers instead of red slippers. Anyways, I can't wait to be home, man. Oh, I want to sit in my backyard and just listen to the bugs. I want to sit back there and listen to the crickets and their honest self-expression. Because you can't get more honest than a bunch of crickets singing at night. Or frogs, depending on what the weather is, because sometimes I have frogs. So, then again, I'm a French frog. Petite grenouille française. Ou la tête carrée, un des deux. Anyways, peace everyone. Enjoy some underground already, and support the movement, because that's not just a movement, it's a bowel movement, because it's the shit, yo. Peace.